Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about what is the Trust Wallet Swift and how to use the new smart wallet feature. So let's just get straight into the video. So you can actually go ahead and use the Swift alongside your regular Trust wallet. All you need to do is simply go ahead and download your Trust Wallet application and click on the Wallet Selector, and then simply go ahead and select the plus sign and click on Create a New Wallet, and then you want to tap on Select Swift Beta. So in order to go ahead and use it, you need to understand a couple of features. So there's going to be one-click transaction. So the Swift wallet streamlines actions like token swaps and dApp interactions to a single click, reducing the complexity of multiple confirmations. Also, the other feature is going to be paying gas but with any token. So unlike standard wallets that required the native token Ethereum, Swift lets you pay network gas fees or network fees using stable coins or other tokens like USDC or USDT, provided there is enough liquidity. Also keep in mind there's going to be biometric security. So instead of a seed phrase, you use your phone's face recognition or fingerprint scan to secure your assets, log in, and authorize transactions. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.